Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to see another lovely composition on Lord Shiva. Shankara Shankara Samba Shiva. Sai Shankara Samba Shiva. Chinmaya Rupa. Shanta Swarupa. Dina Sharanya Mahadeva. Sharanam Sharanam Hipahi Prabhu. Sharanam Sharanam Mahadeva. A quite old bhajan. I recorded in somewhere in 2003-2004. I don't remember. But much more older this bhajan. I used to take in class. Shankara Shankara Samba Shiva. Sai Shankara Samba Shiva. All the wonderful things are done by Lord Shiva. That's why Shankara, Shambho, one who does good. Shankara, one who does good. Now, people say we worship God. There are lots of things, which are not good also. That is our mind's play. What is good, what is not good. We are taken birth with our karma, and God is so gracious that He makes us live. He has given everything best. But for us, because we are slave to mind, we always feel there are certain things not to our expectation. There are certain things which are disturbing us. That is disturbing us because of our mind, not because of God's thing. God does everything good. He wants to balance our life. He wants us to understand. He wants us to go to the true nature of ourselves. He wants us to be one with Him. This is the plan of the Creator. So when more and more we are in spiritual path, we call ourselves spiritualists, but when we are in spiritual path and we undergo lots of things, it is not the mistake of anybody else, it is the mistake of us, the individual, because he expects everything to run around him. That's a very wrong way of thinking. If he knows everything is happening for good, then he can recognize that Shankara, that Samba Shiva, that Sai Shankara Samba Shiva there. So how he is Chinmaya Rupa, Shanta Swarupa. Shiva, if you see, Dakshinamurti with Chinmaya Mudra, and he is Chinmaya himself, very being, was, is, will be ever permanent and beyond our capacity to imagine. Chinmaya Rupa, Shanta Swarupa, always Shantam, full of peace. That's what even Swami we experienced till he's leaving the body. Shanta Swarupa. That more and more we contemplate as a follower of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, that Shanta Swabhavam should be in us. When it will come, we have to try. Then only we can say it is coming, it is not coming. It is Shantam when everything is going okay, and Ashantam when things are breaking loose. That means finished. So that Shanta Swarupa at all times. Take Shankara, take Samba Shiva or Sai Shankara Samba Shiva. Chinmaya Rupa, Shanta Swarupa, Dina Sharanya Mahadeva is gods of God who once surrendered to Him by people who can't handle things. They surrender unto Him. Till I do, I know everything. What I say is right. Then we cannot surrender. Only when we drop everything and understand only He can take care, then He should be. We should take refuge only in Him. Dena Sharanya Mahadeva. How? Sharanam Sharanam Pahi Prabho, like that. I take refuge in Thee, Pahi Prabho, please. And we surrender ourselves to that Mahadeva, Sharanam Sharanam Mahadeva, then we can also experience Chinmaya Rupa, Shanta Swarupa. Then we can really understand in our life true meaning of Shankara. Till then, Shankara is a wording and it is a tune. Samba Shiva is a wording and it is a tune. And we sing, we glorify God with our voice and musicality. It is of, it's okay, it is a step taken, but it is of no ultimate reach. If we want ultimate reach, then we have to really surrender ourselves so that we are not different from Him. Jai Sai Ram.
शंकर शंकर सांब शिवा शंकर शंकर सांब शिवा शंकर शंकर सांब शिवा शंकर शंकर सांब शिवा साई शंकर सांब शिवा शंकर सांब शिवा साई शंकर सांब शिवा साई शंकर सांब शिवा चिन्मय रूपा शांत स्वरूपा चिन्मय रूपा शांत स्वरूपा चिन्मय रूपा शांत स्वरूपा चिन्मय रूपा शांत स्वरूपा लोक शरण्या महादेवा लोक शरण्या महादेवा लोक शरण्या महादेवा शरणं शरणं महादेवा शरणं शरणं महादेवा शरणं शरणं महादेवा शरणं शरणं महादेवा शंकर शंकर सांब शिवा साई शंकर सांब शिवा साई शंकर सांब शिवा चिन्मय रूपा शांत स्वरूपा चिन्मय रूपा शांत स्वरूपा लोक शरण्या महादेवा शरणं महादेवा शरणं महादेवा शंकर शंकर सांब शिवा साई शंकर सांब शिवा।